Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you guys what I did and some photos from my niece's first birthday shoot. Can you guys believe it? She's already 1 year old. Oh my goodness, time flies, and it's just like I can't get over how fast she turned 1, and I'm super excited because it's butterfly themed and some of her photos are going to have butterfly inspired in the actual photos. So all these are pretty much DIYs that you've seen in the previous video, which I believe I'm going to post it before this because why would I post it after? But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to please subscribe, hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video, and like, comment, share, all that fun stuff. It would truly help out my channel. As I was doing these photos, you guys are going to see me and everyone else acting a fool with dancing because that's the way she likes to. Look at her, how cute is she? She's just adorable. I just love her. But yeah, we were dancing and trying to make her laugh and all that jazz, you know, and she's at the point of her stage where she just likes to touch everything. So you will see us stopping her from touching the grass and touching the cupcakes. It was pretty funny. My sister-in-law was like everywhere, so was my niece. We were all just like trying to make her laugh and started dancing like ridiculousness, but she was cracking up most of the time. You can see her dancing here. She's so adorable. She just loves to dance. Let me stop rambling on and let you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you like. Look at how cute she is just dancing around. I just love her, guys. My sister-in-law. That's what we have to do to make these babies laugh, because sometimes like they could be the happiest babies, but when you start taking their photos, they're just like, no, we ain't having it. But let's just enjoy this video. Bye.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do, cause I'm not gonna let you slip away. I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? Fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? What you wanna do trying to make my way, knocking on every door in this maze. The times it's all out of reach, soldier on. When it's harder to learn than to teach, soldier on. I do believe that if someone is willing to pay all their dues, there's almost no end to what can be won one day. You gotta choose. The times it's all out of reach, soldier on. When it's harder to learn than to teach, soldier on. Come rain, storm, or blue sky, soldier on. Soldier on. Through both night and day, soldier on. Onward all the way, soldier on. Soldier on. Soldier The times it's all out of reach, soldier on. So much harder